Okay, for the sake of this class, I'm going to build a fresh one so that you watch the video and do the same thing. I would also like to see your app in the classroom. So here I'll go to the project and start a new project. Give the project name. Maybe I'll name this one as project 2. Remember, in naming there shouldn't be a space between naming your project. Okay, so I got a new interface design for this project. The first thing I will do is to put the buttons and the image. Let's start with the button. To the left side of your screen, you scroll down to where you have the layout, and you click on layout. You have the layout features, horizontal scroll arrangement, table arrangement, and all of that. We're using the vertical arrangement, so put the vertical arrangement here. To the right side of the screen, I'll need it to cover the entire screen, so I go to the width and the height settings. At the height setting, the box there, I'll choose fill parent and click on OK. You see the arrangement fill the entire screen. I'll do the same thing for the width, fill parent. Now click on OK. Now I have the interface of the screen design well covered. If I like, I'll also change the screen name. You can see we have screen 1, but here I can rename the screen name to let's say project 1, as I have the name in the first place for the project. So this will be project 2. I see the screen, the project renamed to project 2, as you can see here, project 2. So the next thing I'll add is the button and the image. So to the left side of the screen, I'll scroll all the way up to where you have the user interface. Below it you have the button, and I'll drag it to the screen. I can also change the button text name. When you scroll to the right side all the way down to the text box, look at it here. In the text box you have text for button 1, but no, I'll change the text name to, let's say, click, or any name you want to use for your own. So when that is done, you see it appear here. One more thing, for the screen arrangement, I will also make sure that this go to the top center of the screen, and then change the text name and as well as the text color or the background. First, let me start from the font size. I'll use 26 to make it big and bold enough. Can you see? And then for the text background, I'll also use which color? I mean, check for another color. Maybe I'll choose green or blue. As I choose the color, I'll click on save. I have the color change, background color change to green. And to change the text color, I'll do the same thing. Where you have the text color here, down here, you click on this button, and let me use white for the text color. Can you see it now? And also make the text bold. You scroll all the way there, you see bold, font bold here. Check this button, you see it bold. I'm done with the button. I'm okay with it the way it is. And then the next, I'll insert my image. Look at it to the left side of your screen. So I'll drag this image to the screen. And I drag the image to the screen, and then I'll scroll down to where I have picture. Look at it here, picture, right side of your screen. I'll click inside that box, then I'll upload file. Choose file from my laptop or whatever device you are using. I'll scroll all the way down to see where I have pictures to use. I think I use this one. Let me use these pictures for this, and then if I select the picture and say appear here, I'll click on OK and wait for it to insert into the screen. Here I have the button and the picture. What we're trying to achieve here is when the button is clicked, we want the picture to appear or even disappear, as the case may be. So having designed the interface, the button and the image first, I can also do editing with the image as I like, the width, the image width and color, whatever, but I'm okay with it. But then I'll check the visibility of it. Let the image hide first of all. So you check down here, check the image visibility or visible, you check the box, and then if you uncheck the box, the image disappear. Then I'll go to the blocks where I'll connect the blocks together to make this happen. To the right side of your screen, you click on blocks, scroll down. Remember, you're dealing with a button and the button is named button 1. So when button 1 is clicked, what should happen? I'll go to the image, then I'll click on set image visible to true or to false. If it's set to true and the button is clicked, the image will appear. If it is set to false and the button is clicked, the image will disappear. So you have these block set, connect them together. The next thing is to click on logic. In the logic box or logic blocks, you have these blocks there: true or false, equal to or not equal to, and or, and all of that. For this one, we are using a true or false logic. So I collect this. Look at how I'm connecting. I connect it here. When that is done, we've connected these two already. So what we will do next is to go to connect at the top middle here and then click on connect. When you click on connect, choose AI companion. The AI companion will generate a code, or you will use scan this thing to connect it to your system. Whichever one work for you, that is okay. And then when that is done, you can as well share this with me in the classroom. Share the code with me in the classroom. With this code, I'll be able to also see what you have been able to do. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next class.